Today is Friday, March 20th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. Welcome to spring, everyone. Today is officially the spring equinox at 10:26 Eastern Time, so 11:26 if you're in Central Time. And that means, of course, equinox means equal night. So it's about 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of nighttime here at this point on the equinox. But not feeling quite like spring for parts of the country. We got still some chilly weather, but that's to be expected. Compared to normal, this is pretty much where we should be. We got some cool weather in the southeast. It's not as warm as some of us would like it to be, but it's an improvement even from where we were earlier this week. It's better even in the Midwest. We got 50s, but there's a pocket of chilly air that's about to spill in. You saw that word there on the map coming in from the northwest. So these temperatures will be a little bit cooler starting tomorrow. A couple of showers in Cleveland this morning. Those are in the process of moving out. 75 over there in Des Moines. We got 60s with a couple of showers in Pittsburgh today. 70s for Cincinnati and Louisville, and even some 80s from Nashville over to Memphis. So I mentioned there's some cool air about to come in. So over the weekend, we're kind of hanging on to some of that spring warmth, but then we knock those temperatures down Monday and into Tuesday, and you see that same deal for Chicago. The chilly air is just up there to the north, but it drops in by Monday and Tuesday. It'll be 70 today in Washington, D.C. for the start of spring, near 70 in Wilmington, 70s for Charleston, Savannah, and Atlanta. Those are comfortable temperatures, but typically in the southeast, you'd see temperatures closer to 80 at this point in the season. Near 80 in New Orleans, and a toasty 93 as we tap into some of that warmth there out there in Dallas. Temperatures are going to warm into the 80s over the next couple of days in the southeast, so there's the spring weather that a lot of us enjoy, but it's only for a few days. In traditional March fashion, we see the colder weather pushing back in for about Tuesday and Wednesday. It's a bit of a cool morning in Fort Lauderdale, as it has been the last several days. The wind is starting to let up, so that's the good news. There's a slight risk for a shower as we peak in the 70s, clearing skies, and near 70 later on this evening. The weather going to improve a bit here. Probably not going to see 80s, though, until early next week. So that is your Friday morning weather update. Welcome to spring. I hope everyone has a great weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.